Welcome all. So today I'm going to talk about a topic which many of you might have heard about before, and it is very relevant in our present situation. It's prison reform. So what prison reform actually means is that it is any attempt to improve the condition inside prison, not only inside the prison but improving the efficiency of the penal system, implementing alternatives, and the reinstatement of the ones whose lives has been affected by crimes. So, if you ever get a chance to visit a prison, if you see the prisoners, you can see that they are not happy. They are not happy staying inside the prison. What happens inside the prison is that the mobility of the prisoners are restricted and their connectivity to the outside world is terminated. So, the time they spend inside the prison, they get a chance to understand about the intensity of the crime that they have committed and correct themselves. So, prison is basically a correctional center. So, by doing this, the time they spend inside the prison, they face a lot of problems like psychosocial issues, adjustmental issues, then stigma and discrimination once they leave the prison as well. So all these issues poses great problems to the prisoners as well as the others who are inside the prison. So this is where prison reform actually plays an important role. So what prison reform actually intends to do is that it attempts to solve the psychosocial problems, it attempts to solve the adjustmental problems and reduce the stigma and discrimination of the prisoners through different things. Some basic prison reform ideas include like vocational and educational training, then family visits, then counseling. All these are prison reform ideas. And if you see, there is exclusively a field in social work known as correctional setting, and many social work professionals are engaged in correctional setting as well, and they play different roles and they take important decisions in the life of prisoners as well. Like they provide services like counseling, advocacy, and all. So I would like to conclude by saying that as budding social workers, we should explore the scope of this field of correctional social work, and we can make great changes in the life of prisoners. Thank you.